All right, guys, welcome back once more to my video. Today, I want to talk to you about asset report and disclosure. For those of you that are in estate and you don't know where to find this report or the disclosure, I will show you how to do that. This asset report contains every single thing about the real estate that you are looking to purchase, irrespective of the one you want to select. Every single property in estate, we have about 13 properties in estate. All of them have this asset report. So I am going to quickly run through how to find it and what is inside this asset report. And this is for you to be rest assured that estate is doing everything possible to make sure that all the documents in the back office regarding the property you are purchasing is legal, right? So very quickly, if you're logging into your back office, go to where it says Info Hub, go to Knowledge Base, select Knowledge Base, and then right here, come to Documentation. When you are on Documentation, select Tokenization Passport. When you select Tokenization Passport, you will see different tokenization passport here. So for example, let's select the Samira Villa, okay, the one in LA. So click open, and if you just click open, this page will now open for you to see the disclosure and the asset report. Now this document is only 11 pages. So here you will find different information about this property. Okay, so you will see the overview and scope of this report. You will see the Samira Villa snapshot of the assets, and here you will see the land access and environmental overview, key land and access metrics. You will see the short-term rental performance overview. You will see the property ownership and legal status. So here is very important. Okay, right here, as I said in my previous video, you will see the residential address, okay, the legal address where you can physically go and visit the property. Okay, the address is here. So Samira Villa in LA is a residential real estate asset located at Samira Road, Los Angeles, California, and this is the zip code. For those of you that are interested, you can go and check this out. Okay, so they said according to LA County Public Record, the property is recorded under something entity, registered property holding entity. So they blanked out the name for safety and security purposes. But of course, you will see the year it was built, the living area, the lot size, the property type, the county that the property is located, the parcel status, everything is here. You see the legal disclosure as well is also here, guys. So this document is very important for you guys to have a look at it and get more information about this property. You can see the asset valuation and tokenization model which they have used to tokenize the Samira Villa, the participation structure and fractional ownership terms, redemption, liquidity, and token retirement. All of this information is actually here for you to take a look at. Our fractional ownership approach, this one will actually show you what is going on, the performance, the data and due diligence. Everything you need to do about this property is here. Okay, fractional ownership solution aligned with real world assets, and then the disclosure and asset reports. So right here you will see a lot more detailed information about this property. So this is how to locate and go through your asset report and disclosure document for each of the 12 or 13 properties that we have in estate. Now if you go to the tokenization reports section, okay, which is how to locate this one I just showed you now, and the property you are looking for, the asset report and the disclosure report is not there, please contact the customer support for them to forward it to you. It's readily available to everybody in estate. This report should boost your confidence in purchasing any of the real estate that they have in the back office of estate. For those of you that are looking to get the full report of the properties that we have in the back office. So guys, if this sounds like something you would like to join to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis for just purchasing a fractional real estate from the back office, then the link to join is below this video description. Now remember, we earn daily in this platform Mondays to Friday, okay, 5 days a week, and then we are also able to withdraw daily. Okay, so let's say you made profit from Monday to Friday and you decided to make your withdrawal on Saturday, you will still get paid. If you decide to make your withdrawal on Sunday, you will still get paid. So we get paid daily. Okay, anytime you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. The minimum to withdraw is $1. If you are using USDT BEP20, you will be able to withdraw minimum of $1. The minimum to join and purchase a property here in estate is $10. So that is something that almost everybody can afford, okay, to have, for you to be able to participate and get fractional ownership of one or two of these real estates that we have in estate. So if you are interested in joining, please by all means use the link below this video description to do so, and I will gladly welcome you to my team. Thank you and God bless.